I got this cable, USB cable from Silkland. I use it to charge my phone, and I use it to upload data from my laptop, and I also use it for my iPad. And also, the thing I like about it is that I can put it from my bedside lamp. I can plug it in from my bedside lamp to my phone, and I can be on my bed and I can be looking on my phone because of the length. It is 3 feet and something long. It is very sturdy, very strong. As you can see, the edges are very, very firm. It's not like the others that you pull, and as you pull, they just loose out. It is very firm and very intact. It comes with the 2 ends. It comes with a protection over the 2 edges. And also the thing I like about it is this L shape. It is so awesome because when I plug it into my phone, I'm looking for my other phone. When I plug it into my phone, it stays at the side like this. And when I plug it into my iPad or my tablet or my computer, it stays like this. So it don't have to be curved. And that's the best thing I like about it. Also, it is 240 watts. So it is a very, very fast speed cable. So it charges your phone fast. It charges your tablet or your iPad or your laptop. Whatever is charging is charged very fast. Also, another thing that I like about it is that it upload data from my phone to my laptop, from my laptop to my phone or the tablet. It is so sturdy. I just love it so much. So if you're looking for a cable for your charger or to upload data, this charging cable is a must to have. It's a wonderful cable.